Welcome back, you guys. We're still at the Chad project, and today we're showing you reveal number 2, which is the living room. And really in this house, it is the heart of the home. I'm Brett Seidel, the owner and principal designer of Lewis & Rose Interiors, a residential interior design firm located in booming Frisco, Texas. We are so excited to bring you everything from practical design tips and tricks to fun room reveals, to informative interviews, and of course, a whole lot of really beautiful designs. Like, subscribe, and then comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you and can't wait to share with you some truly fun and inspiring content. So welcome. Okay, come on with me right into the family room. As you'll remember, if you watched back in this entire season of this series of the Chad Project, if you haven't, I have a playlist, Chad Project. Make sure you go back and watch all the episodes before you see today's reveal. But as you go back to the episodes, or if you followed along with us, you'll remember that this room looked so different. We have pretty much changed the entire footprint of this room. Not only have we made it a much more cozy, intimate room with really purposeful walls, we've actually increased rooms by creating a home gym on this side that we'll talk about, and then we have a butler's pantry that we created on this side, which if you stay tuned for next week, we'll give you the full reveal of the butler's pantry. But today, we're gonna walk you through the family room. When I walked this, it was immediate, the one thing that I'm like, it has to go. And I knew it was gonna have a really big price tag with it. And you remember it's been talked about many times throughout this series, and that was a massive beam that really just ran right through the middle of this room. And then it had 2 kind of wall pieces coming out. So it made this room feel really short on this side and really tiny on this side, super segregated. So immediately I knew A, we needed to remove the beam, or B, just have it recessed into the ceiling, but this all needed to flow completely. So once we got rid of that, the room immediately opened up and became one much more long, much more grand room. So that's the first thing that we did. Second big structural change that we did was over here. If you'll remember, there is kind of a purposeless alcove, and then you had double French doors along the side that brought you into the master bedroom, even though there is an entrance to the master bedroom down the hall. So I hate waste of square footage and wasted space. So immediately we knew we wanted to use this for something meaningful. Resale is always important. Adding rooms, always a plus when it comes to resale. So what we did is we pretty much created a wall right here. On the inside, created a wall right there, took part of the French door, repurposed it for this door right here. It's a home gym, which is awesome. We don't get to say we do a lot of home gyms, and it just makes sense, just tucked in this back. We put a little bit of a splash of blue with Sherwin-Williams Smoky blue that just makes it kind of its own little special moment. So as far as the paint color in here, we switched it up a little bit from the rest of the paint in the house. We used primarily Sherwin-Williams Alabaster all in the foyer, all in the main study room, but in here we wanted it to feel, this is a family room, really casual, really lived in, a little more cozy. So we went with Sherwin-Williams Accessible Beige. One of my favorite paint colors. It just reads really soft. It's not an in-your-face beige, kind of like the 1980s, what we were taking out of this home, but it just infuses a little bit of coziness. So we put that on all of these walls. This wall used to have a massive built-in in it. We took that down. It was a built-in that was meant for a TV of the 1980s, so it really just didn't make sense. Took that off, made this just one nice flat wall. We have these shelves that we can put all kinds of family, heirlooms, pictures, books, all on this wall right here. Right here, we talked about it in the study. We put another one right here, which is a frame TV. We wanted something really slender, something that had the purpose of a TV, but didn't have the bulk of a TV. So we put a frame TV, flanked it by 2 pieces of art. So it's just really soft. It's not what your eye goes to when you walk in this room. And then we really just created the furniture setup to be very cozy, very conversational, very lounge, making sure that all of the fabrics in here were performance. This is a family with young kids, so there's always people coming and going in this room. It's a high traffic area, so high performance fabrics, and we made sure to make sure all of the fabric blended really well together and has different textures. We wanted to add a little bit of color in here, not too much. So we went with these deep seafoam-esque blue pillows. We brought the color over on these swivels, and we also put a little touch of it on the rug as well. I love this rug. It hides all the things. Okay, so now let me take you to one of my favorite parts of the family room, which is the mom corner. We are calling this the mom corner, somewhere where she can sit, have all of her stuff, still have her eyes on the living room and what the kids are doing, but we wanted it to be a really special moment in here, something really different from kind of the masculine built-in desk that we did for her husband, Matt. On the back of the wall right here, we put just this really fun, really playful wallpaper that just draws your eye right back to this corner. This used to be a closet that actually had a desk in it that was a weird height and a weird depth. Didn't make any sense, especially because it was in a closet. So we took out all of that. We took the doors off. We made just this soft curve right here. And then we brought some of that really soft green down here in the cabinetry. Even the little details we have reeded in the back. We love details. We never want to miss details. And then we have this fun, just really cute, a little kind of vanity chair that scoots all the way under. Okay, so that really wraps up the family room, which the name of the game in here was cozy, family friendly, kid friendly. Everything we chose had those things in mind. Make sure you stay tuned for our next episode as we reveal what's behind this door, which is my favorite part of this entire renovation. It is the butler pantry of your dreams. If you haven't already, make sure you press the little bell. That gives you notifications when we have new episodes coming out. Make sure that you like and subscribe all of our videos, and we will see you next time.